fact, as we are also getting more updates. All right, we'll come back to you in a bit. Let's now shift our focus to other developments. The government has released the long-awaited draft of the digital personal data protection rules, which specify that parents' verifiable consent will have to be obtained by social media or online platforms before children can create any accounts. Further, parents' identity and age will also have to be validated and verified through voluntarily provided identity proof issued by an entity entrusted by law or the government as per the draft rules. All right, viewers, this is in fact a big breakthrough in terms of the monitoring that goes onto social media and the content, in fact, that is going for the protection to also raise concerns for the protection of children. This is the data protection rule draft, which is specifically also laying down the conditions which go on to also specify the verifiable consent and also the parameters of the, in fact, contents for the parents. Now, joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, very good morning. Now, the data protection rule draft has been prepared. It lays down conditions, and now the need to verify the identity of the parents for making the social media accounts of children is going to be a reality soon. What is the update that you're tracking in this regard?
Well, Simran, good morning to you as well. And, the government has moved to make parental consent mandatory for, children to open social media accounts. And also, the central in draft has rules for data protection as mentioned that verifiable consent of parents to be obtained by data collecting entity before, processing children's personal data also. And the consent that will be, proposed must be obtained prior to any data processing activity. This means that organizations cannot start using or storing the child's personal data until they have confirmed that the parent has given the approval. And also the draft rules have laid out provisions related to consent processing of individuals, data processing bodies, and also the functioning of authorities under the Digital Data Protection Act 2023. And the long-awaited draft, however, do not mention any penal action for violations. So, the Act has a provision to impose a penalty of up to rupees 250 crores on the data fiduciaries also, and the entity is responsible for determining the purpose and means of processing of personal data. The government has called for objections and suggestions to be submitted on my government website also. Yes, Amrit.
All right. In fact, Mehndi, thank you for giving us these details and in fact putting out this information. Now it's time to shift our focus to other developments where cricketer Rohit Sharma